Hey, what is up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Melita, and in today's video I decided that I'm going to try out something. So the thing is, I recently started to go to the gym. Okay, not like really recently, like 2-3 months ago, already 2 months ago I started to go to the gym again, and I am already making some progress, so stay tuned for upcoming videos on workout routines, diet routines, all kinds of things. And I see girls wearing full face at the gym, like anything you can imagine, highlighter, eyeliner, whatnot, and usually I don't really pay attention to when people work out, so I really don't care about what people do in the gym, to be honest. I just want to do my thing and then go home, you know what I'm saying. So then I see these girls wearing the full face, and sometimes, you know, I'm about the same time done as one of them, and her face is still intact. Like, she doesn't need no touch-ups, nothing runs off. Like, her eyeliner is perfect, her highlighter is still popping, and she literally ain't sweating. And I'm like, how's that possible? Like, I don't think so. Like, I can't do that. Like, can someone do that? Because I can't, sister. So today I decided that I'm gonna take you guys to a workout session with me. Of course, this video is not gonna be about my workout routine, but I'm gonna get fully glammed up right now. Like, this is how I usually look like going to the gym. I don't say that I look bad because, hey, I still slay without makeup. I slay with and I slay without. I just have to adjust my camera. Sorry. It has a bad angle. So, shit, right? So, how about we gonna get fully glammed and go to the gym and then see if my makeup will stay intact or not. Also, what I would like to say, I never wear makeup to the gym. I don't think that's the best for your skin, because when you are working out and you are actually doing something, you're supposed to be sweating. So yeah, I don't know, but you know what? Let's get glammed up and see how it will work out. Okay, so here we are, all glammed up. The only thing I didn't do were fake lashes. Like, you guys can see, I did my lashes, but I didn't put fake lashes on. So there is mascara, waterproof. Okay, so a little talk about, I'm sorry, at the light. So a little talk about the products I was using in this video clip. I'm going to go a little bit back because I don't know, I just don't like the way how I'm looking like in the camera. You know what I mean? Okay, so now it's good, it's good, it's okay. Okay, it's good. So the products I have used are all waterproof, and on the packaging they all say like, yeah, it's made to stay and it stays all day and it's waterproof and this, that. So one of the products, foundation, of course, one of the most important, it's from Catrice, made to stay 24 hours, made to stay makeup. So it lasts up to 24 hours with perfect coverage. I'm using the shade Ivory Beige. Waterproof makeup that lasts up to 24 hours. So, do you survive my workout session? Will you survive my workout session? Let's hope so. Let's hope so. Okay, primer. For primer, I used also from Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Smoothing Refiner for invisible pores and lines. Kills pores. So this is how it looks like. It comes in a little packaging. I actually just purchased it yesterday, and it has this funny story with it. So I went with a friend of mine to drugstore, and I saw that this was on sale for $2.49. And I only took this item, I didn't buy anything else. And when I went to the casa, it was $4.99, and I was like, what? But because I was with a friend, I was too embarrassed to say anything, so they actually knocked me over. But it's still a great primer. Like, I put it on today, and I don't know if you can see, I have awful light, but it literally makes my pores go away. So even for €5, it is not expensive. I was just disappointed that it wasn't on sale, as the price tag was showing it at first. So yeah, that's bad. So of course I used contouring bronzing, and I even did a little eyeshadow, just some metallic eyeshadow, and of course very very subtle highlighter. Like, I'm going to the gym, you know, like even though I'm doing my makeup for an experiment to the gym, I just want to keep it simple. So of course I am not going to blind anyone in the gym and put a blinding highlighter on. Bitch, of course I'm going to do that. Like, if I'm gonna make a complete fool out of myself in the gym, I'm gonna shine. Like, I'm gonna glow and I'm gonna blind everyone. So yeah, my highlighter is, guess which one it is? Of course, Unicorn's Heart. Like, what else? I don't even know where I put the package. Anyways, my apartment is a complete mess right now. So, without further ado, I must say, let us just get going to the gym. Exciting. But before I get going, I also want to show you guys my outfit of the event, which is this cute little top I got yesterday from Puma, and these little cute pants from H&M. And now, let's get going. And it really looks so crazy, like, I don't know, I'm not used to holding my camera like this. How do people do this? How do you guys do that? How do you hold your camera like that? My finger is all over on it. Remind me to edit this out. Like, sorry about the mess all over though. So this is what I looked like after cardio. The light is not the best, of course, it's a gym, like, come on. And here is after my squats, and this is still intact, like, what? I look bad though. Hi.
Hi. Guten Morgen.
Thank you. Okay, I got distracted a bit, but here is the experiment. My makeup is completely intact. No creasing, no nothing, like, wow. I will never do that again though, like, never. Now I'm gonna go home and then let's see it in better lighting. Shall we? Okay, so that's it for today's video, I think, more or less. I'm going to show it in better lighting also how my face looks like, so... Even my lips are still perfect, like, what? I literally thought that everything is gonna get smudged all over, that my eyeliner is gonna make me look like a panda, and I really had all kinds of crazy thoughts, but bitch! My makeup is intact, like completely intact. Oh my god, I'm sorry about my crazy hair. Other than that, I had an amazingly great workout session today. Actually, to be honest, no one gives a shit if you are wearing makeup at the gym or not, to be honest. I would still recommend not to cake it on when you are going to the gym, at least not cake it on. Like, if you wanna wear makeup, don't cake it on. Or if you do, you know, do whatever you want. Like, I don't wanna have later on comments like, yeah, you shouldn't say what to do and because I like to do full face when I go work out. I don't like to wear any makeup, blah 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 blah. Everybody's different. I am completely aware of that. Me personally, I don't like to wear makeup at the gym because, and I don't want to sound cocky with that, but I get a lot of attention from guys, even when I'm not wearing any makeup, and I don't think I'm the prettiest one, like, you know, but I still get a lot of attention, wanted, unwanted, whatever, from guys. So then, of course, I would prefer not to wear any kind of makeup. But if, you know, you like some extra attention or you just want to feel pretty for yourself while you are working out and sweating like a horse, do that. By all means. I'm not going to ever do this shit again. Like, I literally wasted a full face and a whole glam look just to go to the gym. Like, come on. I feel so weird. Like, what the fuck am I doing for views? Anyways, as I said, this concludes today's video, you guys, and I hope you all enjoyed this little experiment, which actually ended out way better than I expected. And yeah, stay tuned for more and new videos in the future. And also, please, let's try to give this video or or like get this video up to let's say 20 likes, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. And small news, I recently just reached 300 subscribers on YouTube. I know it's not much, but for me it is a big deal because I have taken a break from YouTube. I lost a lots of subscribers the past 3-4 months because I haven't been uploading so consistently, which is of course going to change this year because it's already my second or third video what I'm making this year, my third one. And yeah, I am going to be of course more consistent, and please subscribe to my channel. I want to get by the end of January up until 500 subscribers. I know it's not a lot, like I will need less than 200 for it because I'm already above 300 of course. So please help a girl out because I want to be YouTube famous. I want to be YouTube famous. Okay, that's weird. I'm really weird. I'm sorry, you guys. It's not about I want to be YouTube famous, but you know, like, just get me to have more subscribers. It would help me out a lot. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, constructive criticism, I am always welcome for open for that. So you can leave it down in the comment section below. Also, if you have time and you are interested in my everyday life and my everyday mess, then make sure to follow me on Instagram, which will be linked down below in the description box. And also here in the little thing you will see my Instagram name, which is the same as my YouTube channel's name, melita.b. So melita.b, and you're gonna find me there. So you can follow me and show me some love there. Also, I also have a Snapchat where I post mostly daily. So if you want to see my craziness on other social media platforms, please do so because that would help me out. Oh my god! Did you guys see that? Okay, like now you guys can see I was not kidding. I was actually working out. Like, I feel so embarrassed now! What the fuck? Okay, I actually shouldn't even feel embarrassed about it. I mean, like, I was working out, you know what I mean? Okay, again, I'm talking too much. So, I think that's all I had to say. And I'm gonna enjoy my glow a little bit, maybe take a few fire selfies for Instagram. And kisses till next time, my angels. Mwah! And I love y'all.